When do you have to buy a PS5? What do I mean by that? Let me explain. So when a new piece of technology or equipment comes out, people like to think that the longer you wait, the cheaper it gets. And there is some truth to that. When it comes to the PS5 specifically, people also like to think that if they're going to release a new game and also release it on PS4, what's the point of upgrading to PS5 if I don't really care about the performance improvements, the hardware improvements, and the graphics and so on and so forth? And again, there's some truth to that. To answer the question of when should you really upgrade to a PS5, let's use the analogy of an iPhone. If you have an iPhone, when should you upgrade to a new one? Well, it's necessary when your phone stops supporting the latest iOS or the latest software version, okay? Because even if you're not caring about the hardware, you're going to miss out on a lot of new software features. So in this case, it will be iPhone 7 and 8. If you're still an iPhone 7 and 8, it's now time to upgrade to either 14 or 15. In the case of a PlayStation or console, when your console stops supporting newly released games, I think it's pretty much time that you upgrade. And this is the case. So I'm hearing that new games, I think from next month, so the new Spider-Man, Marvel Spider-Man 2 will not be supported on PS4. So you're going to miss out on that. And a few other games, I think. And this is just, how it starts, and moving forward, they're not going to be releasing games on PS5 and PS4 anymore. So it's pretty much time. What do you guys think? Peace.